Good morning and assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am your teacher from the Educators FM campus. Students, today we are going to do the workbook. So take out your English workbook, page number 15. Okay students, I will tell you about the story. It's about Aladdin and a magic lamp. ये अलादीन और मैजिक लैम्प के बारे में एक स्टोरी है. इसको पढ़ने के बाद आपको पता चलेगा कि किस तरीके से अलादीन जो है वो लैम्प के पास पहुंचा. लैम्प हासिल करने के बाद उसने क्या किया और फिर जब उसको गार में बंद कर दिया गया था तो किसने उसकी मदद की थी उस गार से बाहर आने में. स्टूडेंट्स, यू हैव टू रीड दिस स्टोरी बाय योरसेल्फ. Now what we are going to do is we are going to solve the exercise. So turn on to page number 16. Okay, now state whether the following sentences are true or false. After reading the chapter or the story, you will came to know about the which sentence is true and which sentence is false. Okay, now students, after reading the story, you will have to solve this exercise by yourself. Now coming towards the exercise number 2. Find words in the word bank which means the same as the following. These are your words. हमें क्या करना है, हमें इन अल्फाजों में से ऐसे अल्फाज लिखने हैं जिनके मायने इनके साथ मिलते हों. फर्स्ट वर्ड इज फ्राइटेंड, लोनली, जीनी, ट्रेजर, मैजिशियन. लुक एट द फर्स्ट वन, अलोन. अलोन का मतलब है अकेला. एंड which word is correct word? It's lonely. Lonely का मतलब क्या है, अकेला. So we will write lonely here. The next is wealth. Wealth means money, खजाना, पैसा. So which word is the correct word? It's a treasure. Treasure means treasure का मतलब है खजाना. So we will write treasure here. Afraid, frightened means डरना. A spirit, genie means रूह. A person who can perform magic tricks, वो इंसान जो के जादू करता है उसे आप क्या कहते हैं, magician. Okay, now coming towards the third one. Unjumble the following words from the lesson only. These are your words from the lesson and they are jumbled. So we will have to unjumble them. Number 1 is Aaddnil. It's Aladdin. Eendtfghri means frightened. The third is magician. Appeared. Prisoner. Okay, now coming towards the B1, rewrite the following sentences in the correct order following the subject, verb, object patterns. क्लास, हमारे पास ये एक जुमला है जिसको हम लोगों ने सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब एंड ऑब्जेक्ट के पैटर्न को ध्यान में रख के फिल करना है. पास एक जुमला है जो आगे पीछे करके लिखा गया है. इसको हमने सीधे तरीके से लिखना है जो कि सही भी हो. सबसे पहले हम लोगों ने देखना है कि इसमें सब्जेक्ट क्या है, वर्ब क्या है, ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है. इस पैटर्न से इसको लिखना है. सो सारा इज़ द सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब विच इज़ द वर्ब कुकिंग. कुकिंग जो है वो हमारा एक्शन वर्ड है यानी काम है, तो इसको हम लिखेंगे इट्स अ वर्ब. फीस्ट, फीस्ट जो है वो हमारी क्या है, ऑब्जेक्ट. सारा इज कुकिंग अ फीस्ट. ओके, नाउ कमिंग टूवर्ड द सेकेंड वन. Was Adil and book reading interesting? Adil is our subject, reading is a verb, book is a object. Adil was reading an interesting book. Adil was reading an interesting book. आदिल एक दिलचस्प किताब पढ़ रहा था. With and Amna are doll Sana playing. Sana and Amna are our subjects. Playing is a verb and doll is a object. Amna and Sana are playing with dolls. Okay, now coming towards the fourth one. Homework have May completed I. I is a subject, have. Completed is an action word, so it's a verb. And homework is an object, so we will write homework here. Okay students, I hope now you get it. Solve this by yourself. Coming toward the C1. Okay class, the first one is not. So the K is silent. K जो है इसमें वो silent है. K की आवाज़ इस not में सुनाई नहीं देती, जिसकी वजह से हम यहाँ पे K लिख देंगे. build में U जो है वो silent है, वो खामोश है, उसकी आवाज़ नहीं आती. wrist में W is a silent word. no में K जो है वो हमारा silent word है. listen T. knee K. wrap W. honesty H is the silent word. Now coming toward the page number 18. Complete the following sentences with simple present form of verbs given in the bracket. इन sentences को हम लोगों ने simple present form of verbs के साथ fill करना है, जो कि आपके पास options में दिए गए हैं, brackets में दिए गए हैं इनके साथ. He never dashed up the table after his meal. The word is clean, so we will write cleans here. It's a simple present form of verb. I often dash with my friends on phone, talk. Ali dash basketball every evening. Ali plays. They dash in the park every morning. Walk. We dash to eat chocolate cake. We like to eat chocolate cake. She dash her teeth every day. Brushes. She brushes her teeth every day. It dash heavily during monsoon. It rains heavily during monsoon. You dash beautifully. You sing beautifully. Okay now student, this was the end of your class today. I will meet you in the next class. Till then, take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.